Hey everyone! Ever been told something about health that made you pause and think, wait, is that even true? You're not the only one. There's a load of health advice floating around, but not all of it holds up. So today I'm busting 5 of the biggest health myths you've probably heard, and maybe even believed. Let's dive in. Myth 1. Coffee dehydrates you. Sounds believable, right? After all, caffeine is a diuretic, but here's the truth. Coffee still hydrates you. While caffeine has a mild dehydrating effect, the water in your coffee more than makes up for it. So yes, your morning cup does count towards your daily water intake. Cheers. Myth 2. Eating after 8 p.m. makes you gain weight. This one's a classic. But guess what? Your body doesn't have a clock that makes calories more fattening after dark. It's not about when you eat. It's about what and how much you eat. A sensible meal at 9 p.m.? Totally fine. A tub of ice cream at 9 p.m.? Well, that's a different story. Myth 3. Vitamins can replace a balanced diet. I get it. Popping a pill is easier than prepping a salad. But no vitamin can replicate what real food gives you. Whole foods are packed with fiber, phytonutrients, and enzymes that supplements just can't match. Use vitamins to fill in the gaps, not replace the plate. Myth 4. All screen time is bad for your health. Sure, too much scrolling can mess with your sleep and strain your eyes. But not all screen time is created equal. Watching a calming video, learning something new, or connecting with loved ones, that can actually be good for your mental well-being. It's not about ditching screens, it's about using them wisely. And finally, myth 5. You need to work out for hours to see results. Nope. Consistency beats intensity. Doing 20 minutes of movement every day, a walk, a quick workout, even dancing around your kitchen, can massively boost your health. It's what you do often, not what you do occasionally, that counts. So there you have it. 5 big myths officially busted. If any of these surprised you, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear which ones you used to believe. And if you want more health facts without the fluff, hit subscribe, tap the bell, and share this with your mates who still think late night snacks are a crime. Stay curious, stay healthy, and don't believe everything you hear.